Are you still confused about which shooting bench you should get? Don't worry. We took it upon ourselves to find a suitable shooting bench for you. We are here to help you search for the best shooting bench. There are many products available to choose from best shooting bench, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did dynamic research, read tons of reviews of customer, and compiled a list of the best shooting bench from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Benchmaster Shooting Table. Some of the shooting tables we tested had a complicated system. The Benchmaster has the easiest setup for folding and unfolding the shooting rest table. You can fold it and carry it along with you anywhere, anytime. Also, there is ample space for accessories and ammunition on this stable table. Even with so much table space, this shooting table can swivel differently. Though it has all the good features, the best part is it is sturdier and more durable than most of the benches we have tested. It has a powdered coating, which makes it weatherproof. Though there is no padding, it adds to the product's durability. For instance, if you are hunting in wet and muddy conditions, vinyl or any other padding can be easily ruined by moisture, but the Benchmaster shooting table won't have that problem. Number 2. Killshot Kansas Spp. The Killshot Kansas Spp has the biggest tabletop and a lot of space for guns, accessories, and bullets. You will love this shooting bench if you do a lot of target practice and own different guns. There is nothing fancy as such when you look at this shooting table. However, the space on the shooting rest tabletop will impress you. You can alter between different guns. We placed 3 guns together on the tabletop during our tests. As for stability, you can place the barrel with ease. Adjusting the support is also easy. We realized that the big guns are easy to use on the shooting bench during tests. However, it wouldn't be suitable if the barrel is short for your rifle. You rely too much on your arm to achieve stability. The good thing is that the tabletop has good padding for the comfort of your hand. The seat doesn't have back support, but it is comfortable. Number 3. X-Stand Hunting Shooting Bench. When we began our research on the shooting bench, the first name we heard was X-Stand Hunting Shooting Bench. Not only are experts talking about this shooting rest, but many experienced shooters also have great things to say about this stable table. We were eager to test it. When we saw the stable table model for the first time, we realized why everyone loved it. Looking at it, we could tell it has everything a shooting bench must have. The tabletop is made of vinyl, much softer than plastic or wood. We love the 2 pockets attached to its side. It could be beneficial for storing bullets or empty shells. We tried different guns of different sizes. The barrel support kept the gun rock steady. We did the shooting without the bench and with the bench. The difference in results was extreme. The aim was 25% better. You must know the shooter was an expert shooter if he could achieve such good accuracy. Imagine how effective it would be for amateur shooters. Number 4. Caldwell Stable Table. Caldwell is a reputed manufacturer of shooting tables. A portable shooting bench is a good option that presides the user's expectations. The shooting rest of this impressed us the right way. What we love the most about this stable table light is the build quality of this shooting platform, even on uneven terrain. It has a padded seat and tabletop made of molded plastic. A metal frame of this stable table light holds the whole setup of this shooting platform. The tabletop has holes that can be used for handles. Also, there is enough space on the tabletop for extra ammunition. If you are worried about bullets rolling off the table, you can always add rails to the stable table light to prevent that from happening. A shooting table must provide the highest quality of comfort and easy storage of uneven terrain. The padded seat it has for sitting is soft and provides you with a stable base. However, we felt that it should have a backrest for added comfort. Number 5. Caldwell Deadshot. We must admit Caldwell does something that no other shooting bench manufacturer does, and comes on the list of the best shooting platform. Caldwell will impress you immediately in almost all the shooting bench reviews we have done. When we looked at this shooting rest of this shooting table for the first time, we were sure it was made for sharpshooting. After testing it, we can tell no other shooting bench could provide you with stability like Caldwell Deadshot. This shooting platform focuses not only on making the gun stable, but also on the shooter. How is it achieved? Well, the bench has a chair with proper back support, and the shooting rest can support any kind of rifle or even a crossbow. The only thing missing from it is a tabletop that can be useful for keeping ammunition and other tools. But we think you will hardly miss that if you regularly see your gun hitting the bullseye. We tried different rifles and tried to shoot a target at different distances. Our shooter was able to hit long-range targets more often than not. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.